to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Somalia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened official government website for Somalia visa. Here you have three options: apply now, track status, FAQ. So you can always go through frequently asked questions before you find out. But if when you want to begin the process, click on apply now. So the very first thing is to provide details. So I'm going to put some sample. Of course, we will not be submitting and paying the fee, but let's go through this. Just putting sample. Nationality. Let's say you are an Indian national. Just sample. You need to do it as per your case. And let's say you are in India. Phone number and email. Okay, I'll fill this up and I'll click on apply. After after you are done with that, you see six tabs. Where first you need to provide your personal details, your birth, nationality, other details. Then you go to passport details, travel details, purpose of visit, like if you want tourism, visa type, entry. If I go for number of entries, port of entries, whichever is applicable in your case, and your turn, how long you're gonna stay, whatever is your case, where you're gonna stay, post details, your photo, and then this is about your passport, for your passport document that you need to do. Then they have asked for documents. You need to do as per your case. And then you can click on save and continue, where it will ask you to pay the fee. So that's how simple it is, guys, and you can easily apply it yourself. And if granted, if everything goes smooth, you are all good. So thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.